Hi there, students. Froth, a verb to froth, a noun, froth. Okay, froth is foam. For example, if you have a cappuccino coffee, there is froth on the top of it. Yeah, small white bubbles on the surface. Okay, so froth. These are these little white bubbles on the top of something. Okay, so frothy as an adjective. Yeah, the coffee was very frothy. Notice we also have a phrase to froth at the mouth or to foam at the mouth. If somebody's frothing at the mouth, they are really angry. Let's see, a dog that has rabies froths at the mouth. It has foam at the mouth. And you can say frothing at the mouth or foaming at the mouth. So he was frothing at the mouth because of the mistake the workers had made. Okay, so to cover with foam or to cause to have foam. We can also use froth to mean something that is unsubstantial. Yeah, if you look at froth, it's full of bubbles. So the book is very easy to read. It's pure froth, but it's fun. Okay, so there's nothing deep and meaningful to it. Maybe the froth of show business. Yeah, just different things to make it seem impressive, and that's the idea. And then you could froth over something, or to be in a froth, to be very worried, angry, upset about something. Yeah, so he was frothing at the mouth because of the mistake. He was frothing because of the mistake. The workers were in a froth because there was too much work for them to do. He was frothing about the delay that had been caused. Okay, the play was a bit of froth. It was trivial, passing, unsubstantial, nothing really solid to it. Okay, so you got froth on the surface of your coffee, or froth, yeah, the froth on your beer, yeah, the foam at the top. I think for beer I would call it the froth. And then somebody can be frothing, they can be angry. He was frothing at the mouth about this. To be in a froth, to be very nervous or anxious or upset about something. And then something of no substance, something trivial, a trifle. Yeah, it was of no substance. It was just froth. It was irrelevant. Yeah, the sea frothed over my feet, so it came foaming and fizzing over my feet. Okay, so froth on the top of your beer. The dog was frothing at the mouth because it had rabies. He was frothing mad. I like frothy beer. Okay, he was in a froth about the situation. Okay, and this is the idea of froth. Okay, how formal is this word froth? Okay, froth as in on the top of a beer, neutral formality 5. He was frothing mad, he was frothing at the mouth. I think I'd give this a 4 in formality. You could just about use it in something semi-formal, but not in something very formal. This is of no substance, it's pure froth. Unsubstantial. 5 in formality, use almost anywhere. Okay, and then to froth, a regular verb. He frothed at the mouth. He's frothed at the mouth all day. And then as to origin, it's probably borrowed from an Old Norse word, froda, meaning foam, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic frupo, which talks about to foam or to froth. So the origin is fairly clear. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Froth.